This one's no nuts. I gotta remember which one's got the nuts because some people have nut allergies, so I gotta be careful. There we go. Now I'll talk to everybody. Hey, Kathy, give me 5. Oh, wow, 200? How'd I go from 95 to 250? Okay, Kathy, you're awesome. I love you to death. You know that. The JNC, how you doing? Kathy, you're still awesome. Kathy, you're awesome. You know what? I think Kathy might be the first person I sent a pie to. You're going to have to inbox me there, Kathy, and I'll see what kind of pie you like. And we'll make a pie, and I'll see if I can get a send. I'll use you as a test to send a pie to you. What do you think? You want me to use you as a test? Since you got me to where I wanted to be today. So what I'm going to do is Kathy's going to get the first pie. Make sure to send me an inbox, okay? You got to send me a message. And then we'll find out what kind of pie you like. We'll make it live on there. And then I will figure out which mail system, how to get it out to you. And you can tell me if it made it or not. You can help be a guinea pig, right? And then I want to send about 10 pies out. So let's see here. Hey Nicole, how you doing? Nicole's here in Quincy. I could just take her a pie. She likes pie. I know she likes pie. But Kathy, when you inbox me, we'll talk and we'll find out which pie you like and what you're make sure you're not allergic to anything, and we will then send one out to you. I'm gonna try to do this. I think it'd be fun to send people pies. What do you think? And if anybody else wants a pie, send something to me. There's a good possibility I'll send you a pie because I do that kind of stuff. That's what I do. And I think the world of you guys. I appreciate you guys joining me today. I appreciate everything you guys do. I even appreciate it more if somebody would come to my house and clean it up for me because this is the part that drives me crazy. But I will because it's going to take me about an hour to clean now. I'm kind of an OCD, so I got to clean a certain way. If I don't clean a certain way, I will go back crap. I might as well keep this going because if I'm at 852, if I can get 1,000 likes, that'd be awesome. But the pies are almost done. I got the minutes up there. I want you guys to see me pull out one of these pies. Oh, this pie here is already... This guy, I'm going to have to... Dang it. I'm going to put him on something. I know it's going to sound bad, but I cannot take the chance of him getting on everything in there. Because that's exactly what... Hold on. I'm going to have to put him on a cookie sheet because he's gonna spill. So he's going to spill, so I'm going to have to put him on a cookie sheet. Holy crap, I'm already at 1,000? Man, Kathy, you really want a pie, don't you? Hey, I would too. I love pie. Now let's move. This here I got to figure out. I don't know if I can use a glass dish or not. I might be able to. I don't know. I don't want to play that game. But this is this is what I got left over. And not enough to make another pie, but I do got another bag of apples. So I might make some more pie, but I can make the other ones quicker. I was just having fun with this one today. You guys are awesome. You guys are funny. Awesome and funny. Alright. So I'm going to move this pie over here. We're going to start moving this. Oh, don't fall down. There we go. Right, and the first pie, go right there. No. That's not going to work. So, those are done. Hot on the bottom. The next one's coming out are going to have to come out a certain way because I think the one should be done. Hopefully. Alright. So, the last one with pecans should be done, which is this one. Alright, there we go. Ooh, that looks good. Yep, it's ready. Okay, so that's the third one. And we're going to put this sucker in because he wants to get everywhere and I do not want him to get on my own. Alright, we got him in now. I put stuff up so he doesn't get stuff everywhere. Now I can actually clean I got it clean now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out the ammonia. I'm gonna have to clean a lot. Jeez. Y'all could have told me I was making a disaster area here. Maybe you did, I just didn't listen. I never do. I forget to listen sometimes. So, but if I get everything cleaned up, what I'll do is I'll turn this off then when I pull the last pie out. So, because I got 2 more. Oh shoot, I gotta put that in for stop. What was the timer on that one? Perfect. Okay. So we got that timer set on that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess now. You guys know what the pies look like. And I appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the loves. Thank you for the loving. Woo, woo. Anyway, yeah. I think I got Kathy watching me right now. And that's about it. But I appreciate you. So that being said,